So welcome guys, in this video we are just reviewing the Microsoft Windows 10 operating system, the latest installment from the Microsoft. So starting with the music player, the Groove music player have a new version of the old 8.1 default music player. We have two music player, Windows Media Player and Groove music player. Groove music player designed for the online applications, online musics. So starting with the properties of the system, Windows 10 operating system installed, Windows 10 Pro version on the Intel Core i5 third generation processor and the 8 GB RAM. Click on the next, it will show you and pop up to activate the Windows. When you install first time the window, that it require internet connection and Windows activation. Offshore for the developer mode, if you are a developer, just click on the developer mode and it will allow you to access the developer features. So starting with the personalization settings, first thing that we need to activate the window, then it will allow you to access all the applications. Like on the click the color, the top of the bottom, that top and bottom of the display will change according to select color. If you select the pink color, then the top bar on where the setting, it will change on the pink lock screen. You can set applications like the weather and the time application on the lock screen, and you can change the background of the lock screen from this personalization. One thing that I really like in the Windows 10 is the setting app. This is the new version of control panel. You can access all of the settings as you access in the control panel directly from here. All options like app features, multitasking, tablet mode, battery saver, power and sleep, storage, offline maps, default apps, and about everything you can access just from the setting application. I am here in the settings under the system settings. So battery saver option allow you to use the battery in the saver mode, reduce the system performance and give you much better and long lasting performance as well as the long battery life. On storage, if you click, you can access all the storage directly from the here, like your my computer. Now on the about section, here's the whole detail of your system. Click on the system info and again you will get the properties pop up, settings. Now going to device options, scanner, printer that was connected device like Microsoft 2.4 GHz wireless mouse I have connected in this system. Mouse and touchpad, as I am using the laptop. Here's the accessing options to access the touchpad. Network internet connection, you will found a new option like the proxy, that directly from here. On the control panel you have to set on the internet option, but here that access to the proxy. Personalization setting, accounts, the login account on the Microsoft Windows Live account. You can sync your data, you can use your family accounts and other user directly with their Microsoft IDs. Now click on the some other features. So click just on the bottom, here's the Cortana. We are much familiar with the Cortana, the very best feature from the Windows 10 and Windows 10 OS. Here's the control panel. Now I'm not gonna open again the control panel because setting app is much better than control panel. Here's the notification bar. You can see that the new options for Wi-Fi and airplane in this style is basically based on touch UI. You can access everything. Here's the new notification center known as the action center. All notification will goes here, not on the top right corner as the Windows 8 and 8.1. is the tablet mode for accessing the features. If you are using a touch screen, just click on the tablet mode and whole UI will change according to your screen and adapt the full features of the touch devices. Again click on the notification bar, there is the option for connect. Then you click on the connect, it will search the wireless display and audio devices that allow you to connect the wirelessly on the system. Here's the new options for all settings like the brightness, airplane, quit hours and the location VPN. When you click on the location, it will allow apps to access your locations and at the same place. So again here's the option for all apps like install the applications and software. You can access from the all apps. You can click and drag and drop the any apps. If you click on the camera and drop here, then it will set on the tile bar. You can expand, collapse this start menu according to your need. Now click on the Cortana. When you are using the first time Cortana, it will allow you to how to access the Cortana, how to work with Cortana. It will help you First thing that you need is Cortana require your nickname to communicate with you. Before we started, you'll need something. Yes, I'm saying that the Cortana will require your nickname, as I have already used the Cortana on my Windows phone. So take a little bit time to type any name, and just as you can see that it requires a permission to access your location, because Cortana help you in a better manner. If you allow it to access your location, it will show you content based on your location. The default location is set to United States, so here's the all content from the United States settings. You can access everything. Whenever you require to search anything, just click on that bottom bar and Cortana will pop up and allows you to access. Now allow location settings. As you can say, the location is on. You can activate this from the action center and as well as the settings. So now again I will click on the Cortana and access anything. Whenever you type anything, it will search on the system and on the internet both. If you connect it through the internet, then it will search on the internet as well. Now I click on the weather, so here's the weather searching. Now I will search who is the founder of the Microsoft, and it will show you who is the founder of the Microsoft. Whenever I press the enter, it will open the Microsoft Edge browser and shows the result. So who is the founder of Microsoft? The Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Bill Gates, my idol. So this is the Microsoft Edge, our latest version of Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer was the ugly, worst application that I ever used, but Edge is typically best in every manner. If you are using a touch PC, then Edge browser is just to design for the touch screen. Google Chrome, no matter what are you thinking, but Edge is best for touch screen. Now search something for other things on the Cortana, like talking with the Cortana using the mouse communication. It requires first you to access to understand what you are using, what type of English you are speaking, like you are in Asian country or in United States, wherever you belong. It will require first time to integrate in your init system your voice command. So what is the weather right now, Cortana? Taking a little bit time because of my slow internet connection. See more result on bing.com. When you click on this notification, it will open Edge browser, or you press enter, then it will open the Microsoft Edge browser. Now take other features like about. You can create events, notifications, reminder, notes, finance, advice, everything from the Cortana. Now display settings. Here's the display settings. Now I want to access the desktop icons. As in personalization menu, there is no option to direct access the desktop icons, so I will search from here, but this is not a root, so I have to go back on the main settings, then to search the desktop notifications or desktop icons. So go back on the root of the settings. Now search for the desktop apps, not showing, then take back and type icons. So here's the show or hide common icons on the desktop. This is the option that was typically found on the personalization menu, but this time in Windows 10 here is hide by the some ideas behind. So take a look over the Microsoft Windows App Store, a truly awesome place for latest application to access the Windows features, Windows mobile features, Windows mobile applications on your Windows PC. Xbox games are now free. Paid apps games both are installed on the PC. Just I am going to install the Hill Climb application. Whenever you open the Windows App Store, it will start updating the pre-installed application. As you can see that on the top of the screen, 24 applications are getting updates. So click on the tablet mode. The Windows Store will works actually a very responsive manner. So as I click on the 24, here's the 24 application on the queue to getting updates. All the applications are automatically updating. You can change the settings to disable the automatic updates option. When you click first time on Windows Store or whenever you connect on the internet, it will automatically check whether any apps require the update or not. So we have to do something new. So here's the my computer. So here's the folder options, and on the top, file computer view. When you click on the computer view, you will found a new option replaced. Control panel gone. Now new option is open settings. That pretty much awesome feature from the Windows 10. So the quick details panels, you found the my computer view. We click on the tiles, small icons, just move the cursor over these options and it will automatically, like the folder option, no new options in the folder options, all are the previous and the same, but design was changed, design is changed now. So here's the short. Now click on the properties, just press alt plus enter from directly on your keyboard. Here's you can see that the new round shape, so showing you the which part of the disk is free and which part of the disk is now consumed by application. Blue is the user space and white is the free space. Actually white not, this is the bright color. So quick access will allow you to access the last access folder applications on here. You can pin anything like desktop, Windows, download folder, document folder. I have pinned these folder to directly access on your network. The both of your connected network will you can found on the network settings. So I want to show something new in your Windows 10. So in this video that's enough for today, but we will come back with the Microsoft Edge review, Microsoft's latest music app review and Windows Store review and some hidden features in our upcoming videos. So till then, keep in touch, keep subscribers for more fun with latest Windows 10. Now before giving final words, now I want to show you some other the background apps that is continue running on the background. If you want to close these applications, you can close from here, on or off. If you on these applications, that will consume your RAM, consume your processor, timeshare options. So just disable this application and you will find the Windows it's working on faster manner. Here's the permissions to control which application will use your microphone, camera, contacts, calendar, messaging, account info. If you click on off, then no application will be able to access your Microsoft account. Personalization, as I already discussed, when you activate your Windows, you will get all options of personalization. So till then, here's a brief description, brief review of the Microsoft Edge browser. Click anything like google.com and press enter. It will open the Google home page. On the top right, here's the options. Click or touch on these more action options. Here's private window to access the privately web pages like the Chrome's incognito. There no data or history will saved by the Microsoft browser when you are using the private window. So in our next video we will show you the features of Edge browser. Here the some directly access and suggest websites for you. It actually suggests you these websites based on your location. As I am in India, so these suggestions are typically based on my location. Some popular videos on the YouTube. One thing that I really like, that is the Microsoft Edge browser doesn't require the Flash player. It already has its own Flash player installed default when installing the Windows. Thanks for watching guys. Keep in touch, keep subscribed.